Hey, guys. Yep, it's Crystal here from Crystal's Crazy Corner. Yep, Crystal's crazy because I know this is not my channel. It's the MD95 TSI channel. And yeah, I'm here to let you guys know that there will not be a drone network tonight. Have some things to take care of. I know we've been hit and miss here lately, more kind of miss than hit. And I want to thank you guys all for your messages and reaching out and things like that. We are okay. Just sometimes life throws you that curveball. Like I tell you guys, life happens. You got to handle it. So yeah, that's what we've been doing, is taking care of some things. Got some new toys here, checking them out. On both sides. So you're going to have to wait and see MD95 TSI's new toys. Hopefully next week on the Drone Network, we'll be showing you some of them. But remember, guys, we love you all. We appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for hanging in there with us. And next week, we will be back at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I guess until then, send it, guys. Enjoy our hobby. Love it. Plaster that great big smile on your face and enjoy it, okay? And remember this. I love y'all. And so is MD95 TSI. We'll catch you guys next week. Thanks, guys.